We recently stayed at this Fairfield Inn in Van, Texas, which is about an hour outside of Dallas off of I-20. If you're traveling through Texas on the way to Dallas, this is a great place to rest for the night. All right, bud, so how'd you like this hotel?
It was great.
Would you stay here again?
Yes.
What'd you like about it?
I liked the beds. They were so soft.
Are you ready to go get breakfast?
I told him you went past it.
Sorry. Found you guys. Waffles the size of Texas.
No, not the size of Texas.
Waffles shaped like Texas.
Yeah.
Stop recording.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.